This is Scrapbook.com, and we're at American Crafts headquarters looking at some DIY shop items that I just really wanted to show you in video, in person. So let's take a look. There's all sorts of beautiful papers in this that you can cut up for all of your projects. Really, I love this line, the DIY shop, because it's very elegant and timeless. Golds, chipboard kind of colors, craft colors, excuse me, really nice. So up here we have all sorts of banners, banner stickers that are clear. Really fun for labels, and also alpha stickers that are in that super trendy metallic gold and that big font that we're seeing everywhere. That's so fun. And if you like that, you're going to love these thickers. They're not part of the DIY shop collection necessarily, but they go perfectly with this line and are also available from American Crafts. In DIY shop, we also have checklists in craft, some larger black chalkboard pins, and some little clips as well that you can clip on, and you have the chalkboard that you can write a note on. So one time for my best friend for her wedding, I got some like this and wrote the names of the treats that these were clipped onto. So super fun if you like to do your own DIY parties. Down here we have really fun little posts, and these are signposts. You can put them if you like to have your own herb garden in your kitchen. This would be, a fun way to put like thyme or rosemary or whatever you have. And then down here, one last thing, these banners, they're little packs. I'm gonna try to take this out. And you can create your own banners super easily. If you're not a die cutter, totally fine. You can buy these packs, and look how pretty and high quality they are. They're just really nice. You can put anything you want on it, and there's all sorts of different styles to see. So these are all just some really beautiful, timeless new items from DIY Shop. Thanks for watching. This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the American Crafts headquarters in Utah. If you want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!